Hey guys, Wednesday, January 31st, 2024, US session close. Let's check out that, guys, and see what has it done. You have done for me lately. Dun, 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 ooh. Why did I do that? Is that Janet Jackson? I don't know what happened there. Anyway, volume, look at that. Looks like some bulls are showing up right here. Looks like last video I said possible wave 3, wave 4, and a wave 5 in the future. So let's look at our simple glance. So nothing has changed here. The only thing I'm monitoring the monthly. You can see volume for the month was pretty strong for the bears. Nothing's changed here. Only that MACD is negative, but hasn't really pushed out of the neutral zone. And you can see that the bulls got it today on Wednesday. Statistical calendar says that tomorrow is a big down day, so be careful. You know my motto, put the VWAP, and if it's above the VWAP, then statistical calendar is wrong. If it's below the VWAP, statistical calendar could probably play out. Let's see what happened today. US session, it opened and got this nice pop, almost kissed this 216 pivot high, pulled back, but at least it was above the 208 and above the VWAP. It was finding support there. So yeah, everything going to the long would have been good. Now tomorrow, let's say we open and we below the VWAP, then I guess short every pop. But so far this was good, and now you got to stay above 210 for Thursday. And targets to the upside, obviously the 216 up here. Next would be 231 if it's going to really push higher. But if the statistical calendar is going to play out, then, it's close to 202. That could be a target, but if it's going to push even harder, like the statistical calendar would say, I don't know, what's the next level? Well, actually 194. The famous 194. What's this over here? Yeah, 194. So those are the two levels. And Friday is supposed to be a big bullish day, so we'll see. But so far, it's in between these two pivots on the weekly, but definitely on the bottom of the barrel. Looking at the simple glance chart, I thought I saw a MACD crossover here, but it hasn't happened yet. But it's borderline. Borderline there on the 4-hour, it already has it. It kicked in. You have the T-mark TD9 there, and PPS buy signal. So if you want to go in early, that could probably happen, and that's it's hovering above the 20 SMA. But I like to look at the daily because those are the main time frames I look, and it's smaller time frames to get in, but the MACD on the daily hasn't crossed over yet. You got the weekly. So I'm leaning that, for me to get in, I like it to be down here between February and March, somewhere on this area, and looking at some timing points to get in. So those are my thoughts for Nat Gas. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, but it's going to be interesting tomorrow. You got the targets 216, 231, and this is for next month. Yep. And the bigger target would be 250, 225. But let's take baby steps. Let's get above 216 and at least get to 231, which is the low of last week. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.